This is the fourth video under cells. In this, we'll be discussing the last few cell organelles. My last two videos were also about a few cell organelles. Let's start this one by discussing about Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus as we call them. These are basically stacks of flattened sacs. They receive proteins that are made by the endoplasmic reticulum. These stacks look like pancakes. If I would talk about it in a slang language, they have a shipping side that is the trans phase and a receiving side which is called the cis phase. They basically transport vesicles with modified protein lysosomes. These contain the digestive enzymes. They help break down of food, bacteria, worn out cell or other parts of the cells. These are programmed for cell death. The lysae break open and release enzymes to break down and recycle the cell parts. These cells take in food by phagocytosis. They digest the food and get rid of all the waste. Vacuoles. These are fluid-filled sacs for storage. These are small or nearly absent in the animal cells. Plant cells, on the other hand, have very large central vacuoles. But bacterial cells don't have vacuoles. In plants, they store cell sap, includes storage of sugar, protein, minerals, waste, salt, lipids, water, and various enzymes. Chloroplast. These are found only in organisms that contain chlorophyll. They use energy from the sunlight to make their own food. The energy from the sun is stored in chemical bonds of sugars. The chloroplast is surrounded by double membrane. Its outer membrane is the smooth membrane and the inner membrane is modified into sacs. Stroma is a gel-like material that is surrounded by these sacs. Chloroplast contains its own DNA, just like mitochondria did. It contains enzymes and pigments for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making foods. Never present in animal or bacterial cells because they do not use sunlight to make their food. Thank you. That is it for discussing about cell organelles in this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss more about the cell.